In this process, we are going to create a purchase order and receive items from that purchase order and inspect them. So let's first go to purchase orders and create one. I'm creating a new purchase order for custom metals, and I'm purchasing an item. In this case, I'm purchasing a tire, a quantity of 20 pieces. Also add a vendor invoice number. Now post this purchase order for receive. And you'll notice that an inspect incident has been created. So I'm opening the incident, and here it shows the main information, the item number, the vendor, and the instruction to inspect it, and already a measurement has been created. So I'm zooming into this measurement, and also in the header of the measurement I find the relevant information from this receipt, the registration date, as well as the due date when I need to have my inspection ready. Now I can also see the checklist here, and the number is red, which means that it still needs to be completed. So from manage I can go to edit, and I see the list of questions in here on the lines, and also the indication that out of the 20 I have to inspect 2 items. So 2 samples have been created, sample 1 and sample 2, as well as some overall questions, and in this case if the packing list was complete. So let's assume that the answer is yes here, and the result is expected because that's what we would like to see, and we score 10 points with that particular question. There are no specific comments about this inspection, so that is the text that I answer here. Now from the lookup question I can select between black, blue and gray. In this case I'm selecting black, and that is the most favorable result, so I'm scoring 100 points. Now there is a numeric question that talks about the dimension of the item, and it also indicates that I'm going to need a sliding size to measure this. Now the target value is 2150, so if I measure and answer that, then I score another 90 points. On the second one I'm varying my questions here. I'm entering gray, not completely black, so that scores a lower point. So apparently that tire I'm qualifying as a lower quality. Now in this numeric question I'm also answering that this is 2140, and that indicates that this result is ambiguous. It means that apparently it is on the outside of the tolerances, and an additional manual accept is required here to indicate that I'm still accepting this as part of my inspection. So let's do that. It is also indicating that this is a lower score again. Now I can report this check sheet as complete, and the number of checks are being made. It indicates now that out of the 2 samples, 2 have been accepted, which means the overall result is accepted. However, the check sheet rating is average because I have one tire with a lower quality and not quite up to the measurement, so that scores a lower quality. Still, as an inspector, I'm saying okay, this is an okay result. So for the inspector, the work is done now. the check sheet number is green. It means that it has been completed, and the quality manager can now approve this result, or if he doesn't approve, he could issue a retest for another inspector to check on that ambiguous result, for example. But if he approves this one, he can register the measurement, and the measurement is now registered. And from the incident, you can see that now we have in this inspection a registered measurement. There's nothing I have further to do. There are no follow-up questions. I accepted the shipment. So what I can also do at this point is close the incident. And now the incident is closed, and I have returned to the complete incident list. So that was a quick overview of how the inspection of